In this video, I'm gonna show you 4 products that are about to make 6 figures. They're about to explode and they're untapped. They're not in any spy tools. Unsaturated products you can sell right now in your dropshipping store to absolutely crush Q4 and 2020. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? It's Rafael here and I'm gonna show you 4 massive products that are going to explode very soon. These stores have already made quite a lot of money from them, but they're still on tap. There's still a massive market out there. They're not million-dollar products, but they're likely to make a lot of money if you capitalize very fast on them. And also, I want to announce the giveaway of a full training that I did for my mentoring program, how to go from 0 to over $5,000 a day with Facebook ads with step-by-step instructions. I'm gonna give it away to one person in this video. If you wanna win, you gotta comment secrets, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick one person from the video. And if you wanna learn exactly how to grow your store from where it is right now to more than 10,000 a month, profitably and consistently, I prepared a free training in the first link in the description. No fluff, I'm not gonna sell you anything. It's not a pitch, it's a real step-by-step instruction training. All right, for the first product right here, you can see this little glue or little screen fixer. It's called a glass repair kit or glass corrector kit. And what it does, essentially, it corrects glass. And I think this is gonna be massive, especially for screens of phones. The iPhone 11 just came out. Screen protectors are massive products. And this particular ad, in 2 weeks, I told you I'm gonna show you new ads, not old, about 6 months, a year ago. I'm gonna show real new untapped ads. In 2 weeks, it has 1.1 million views with really nice engagement. And this particular one is called Ultra Motherness. Here you can see the actual product page. On Salesforce, they're making around 16,000 to 32,000 a month, this store. So it's not a huge store. They're not making millions. It's not a super saturated product. It's still a product that you can sell. And on AliExpress, if we check a product like this one, screen protectors for phone sell massively. I have a friend selling about 30 to 40,000 a month just from screen protectors. And if you look at AliExpress, 800, 3,000, 3,000, 1,000, 50,000, 68,000, 5,000. It's a massive market. If we look at Amazon, it's the same exact thing. 2,000 reviews, 6,200. Here in the bottom, 13,000, 19,000. So it's a massive product that people buy again and again and again. And this particular product is special because the iPhone 11 Pro just came out. If somebody breaks their iPhone 11 Pro screen, you bet that they're gonna pay for a repair kit or just to get it repaired somewhere. And that costs around maybe 50 to 70 euro. or $70. I had to repair my phone, the screen in the front, and it cost me around $50. And this particular kit costs only around 17 euro in this case, which for USD, that would be around $20. So this is a massive bargain that you can start selling and capitalize on this trend right now. For the second product is this lint remover here, and it's from GadgetCab. GadgetCab is known for just promoting a ton of products. They test like a product a day or 3 products a day at this point. This particular one started about a week ago with 689,000 views already on this video. The engagement is low, which is they're just probably creating multiple ads with the same video. That's probably what they're making or doing. And this particular one is the one that they're scaling up the most in terms of video views. So they're getting a lot of video views for this one. If you look at GadgetCab, they absolutely smash it with products just like this one. It's a little lint remover that you can use for all your clothes and you can get out the lint. And also for people that own pets, this is a massive product. They can just take out the little fur and that's it. And it's not that expensive. It's about, and I'll pull it up here, USD again. And it's taking it down to reviews. And I'll pull up the USD right here. So it's about $17.99 per product, which is not that bad. And if we look at Salesforce right here, if you want to get it, the link is in the description. To Salesforce, we'll analyze the store, see how much GadgetCab is making. They're known for making a ton of money. They make $1 million to $2 million per month testing multiple products. If you go down to the bottom to recently uploaded products, they upload a product or they upload multiple products every single day. An hour ago, 3 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours a day. All of these were uploaded yesterday. They upload like 9 or 10 products every single day. They're constantly testing, constantly doing more and more Facebook ad tests, and this is one of the ones that is doing the best for them right now. So I think it's going to be massive. They're testing it very well. When you see a successful store, they have a lot of products, they're uploading a lot of products. Now they have a new one that's doing well. That's an Untapped one that you can take advantage of. Before we go on, I do want to congratulate Christian Dorius for winning the step-by-step special module on how to grow your Facebook ads from 0 to 5,000 a month. If you're interested in winning for this particular video, Kristen won for the last video. If you're interested in winning for this video, comment secrets, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a win. For the third product right here are these little lights, and you probably have seen this video, probably not. It's been running about a month. And it's these little lights that you can put pretty much everywhere. I think now that in the US and Canada specifically, it's gonna be winter. It's gonna be massively cold, and also it's gonna be massively dark. The sun doesn't come up for like 3 or 4 hours a day, and these lights are really good to just lighten up the whole house, the garage. A lot of people have garages in the US. It's been running for about a month with almost 1 million views at this point, 904,000. The engagement is quite good, but again, they might be running the video in multiple different ads, and this particular one just takes care of all the lighting right here. It's also it's saying in the bottom, rumor has it this light is the best invention since sliced bread. Let's look at the particular store. It's called Deal Golem, and this right here, the leading universal, adaptable, and most versatile light. I love how they put this particular product as the best light ever, although they're just drop shipping it. And also they put a particular TM name. I wouldn't recommend doing a TM unless you do have a TM or a trademark, but I do recommend branding your product. So if you have a particular product that you want to brand, putting a name like this, like Starbright, it's really good to differentiate your store from anybody else. So it's like this one, and they show the little video, they put the lights and boom, they light up, and it's gonna be very dark in the US and Canada, especially in the northern states. It's gonna be super dark. This is a great product. If we go to analyze store to see how much this store is making, let's look at that. And this particular one is making around 3,000 to 6,000 a month. So it's not huge. It's not a huge store, but this particular product, they're advertising it a lot, and most of that revenue comes from that product. Again, these are untapped products that you can take massive advantage of. They're about to trend or they're about to explode. Take advantage of it as much as you can. For the fourth product is this little painting, your dog as a paint by numbers. So you can see the person takes a picture of the dog, and then the dog is basically a painting. They're gonna show it right now. I'm just gonna show the video here. And you can paint your dog in the canvas right there, like a picture that you just took of the dog. I think this product is gonna be massive, especially going towards Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then Christmas as a gift to pet lovers, pet owners. This gift is amazing. It has in about 2 months, so it's been running for a little bit more, has 5.3 million views, so it's been highly scaled up. There's still a massive market for it, especially coming down to Christmas, since you can give it as a gift. So it's gonna be a massive product. And also the engagement is very, very high. If we go to the product, and if you wanna do a product just like this one, where you have to upload a product, you can either ask them to email you the product right after they buy, or you can use an app like Uploadery. I'm gonna pull it up right here because there's been a lot of people interested in doing a store like this one, like a customized product store where somebody uploads a picture and then they get something customized. This is a really cool app to do that. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think it's a great app. A bunch of my students use it to make those personalized product pictures. And here you can see you have the photo right here, then you have the painting, and you can actually paint it for Christmas. It's gonna be massive. If you go at Sales Source and we click Analyze Store, and I'm also going to talk about products just like this one and ads and how to run products like this in the special free training. So if you're interested in just taking your business to the next level on Shopify, check the first link in the description. This one in particular, been running for 5 months, 6,000 to 12,000. So again, it's not a massive product. It is going to be a massive, and they're already scaling it up pretty fast. You can take advantage of it and start selling a product just like this one, personalized and absolutely crushing it. Start selling products just like this one. If you're interested in taking your Shopify dropshipping business to a next level or growing a non-existent Shopify business, I invite you to watch the link in the first in the first link in the description, the training, step-by-step training. I'm gonna show you how my students go from zero or some sales all the way up to 10 to 50,000 a month and exact step-by-step instructions. I'm not gonna pitch you anything. There's nothing for sale. You don't have to pull out your card. If you're interested in a free one-on-one call with me or my team, you can check the second link in the description. Schedule your free one-on-one call. Talk to somebody one-on-one to actually get your struggles in line. See what you need to do to start scaling and growing your Shopify store and taking control of your business right now. And if you're interested in learning how I find these particular products and how I find any of my products and my best-selling products, check out the video right here. I'm gonna show you the secret method to finding winning products right now and for 2020 as well. So check the video right there, step-by-step instructions on how I find my videos, how you can find, or how I find my Facebook ads, how I find my best products, and how you can do it yourself. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button if you liked it. Comment secrets down below for the giveaway, and check out the free training in the first link in the description.